Crazy canes on. Oh my god! No! Fuck! Sick. The fridge has no maggots in it. What?
My car's full.
No. We're back in action. No maggots can stop me. Let's go. Alright, well, we're on the road. We're heading out to Cygnet Bay, Dampier Peninsula. We've stocked up with fuel, stocked up food, been to the tackle shop, got tackle, sorted. It's gonna be a good few days. Staying out for about a week, so yeah.
Under me.
Oh. Double hookups. Both feel like good fish. Oh, my one's fucking got some weight, eh? Wow. Yeah, I've seen yours on the surface. Yeah, this one's definitely got some. It's the cobia?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. So had to hold one by the boat and the other one.
Sorry.
So had to hold one by the boat and the other one just in the water. Do with one.
I'll keep this one out. So get the gap out. Cobia too?
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah. Are we peeking or good to eat?
Yeah, fuck yeah. Oh shit, are we cross? Yeah. Oh yeah. I guess we can keep one, maybe keep mine because it's a bit bigger.
Yeah.
So is mine. I can just get yours in. Jesus. Playing dirty, mate. Oh. Imagine if the one in Onslow fought like this. Be buggered. I'm gonna bring mine in. It's sick. What do we got there, Kane?
Nice little cobia.
Two on deck, double hookups. Yeah, beautiful. That looks sick.
Ready?
Back. Goes. Lures out. Sick. We just got smashed with a double hookup. These little cobias. Good fight. We're gonna keep this one because we have no fillets. Hey, look at those rocks, look there. Oops. Look at the water rushing past there.
Yeah, can I go to that?
Yeah. They sit under the ledges. Oh, you go that way, go that way. Shallow as there. Oh! Oh! Get it! What is it?
Trev. There's sharks there, and there's bigger ones with it.
Golden, eh? Oh, that's a GT. Yeah, just hold it there. There you go.
Shark down there. Yeah. Big older one.
Yep. Yeah! Sick, bro. That's sick, man. First cast, eh? You did. Yeah, sick.
Throw them back.
Yeah. Fucking oath. Oh, that's your right.
First time in the cold trout.
Literally, eh? Like, maybe I need to change.
I was still tightening my drag.
I know, I see. I was like, what the fuck? Gonna get smoked. Queenies as well. Oh, oh,
Go
oh, oh no. This is gonna be fucked. Oh, look at the ones, what's that following it? I think it was Mackie, man. Oh. Oh no! Oh my god, it's my fucking shark! There's my fish with a shark! It's got 40 pound on it.
Where's the shark?
It was just following it. Did you see it?
Yeah.
That's sick.
With it?
Yeah. Oh no! Oh, that's good enough. That was sick. Look at all there. This could be interesting. Oh yeah! Oh no! Oh god! No. Oh, I fucking popped it. Oh, did I lose it? Oh, spewing.
Maybe it was a Mackie.
Could have been, eh? Yeah, I think it was. Teeth. Weather has absolutely turned it on now, so decided to trial around for some sailfish. There's been plenty getting caught, so we got a few skirts out now. It's the waiting game. Line just went crazy, cane's on. Fuck, it's got some weight.
Yeah, fucking
Could be a good mac. Don't need me to drive it all. Oh, fucking shark. Fuck's sake. That fucking explains a lot. Fucking reefies, eh? Yeah, bring her up here. What a maggot. Nearly there. Black tip reefy. It's so hard. Oh, you're on, you're on, you're on, you're on. Oh. Fucking oath. Should I jump up here?
That's so funny.
What are they? That Taylor? What the fuck are they? Oh,
What is that?
don't know.
Some kind of mackerel.
I've never seen them before. No way. Big chungus. It's hooked around one of its gills. That's sick. Oh, that's cool. Right. Off she goes.
After a big day of popping for GTs, we were both feeling starving, so Chef Mitchell is back on the chopping board to whip up some more ceviche. Once I've whacked off the fillet, it's onto the chopping board to get chopped into a bunch of smaller chunks. I then wash off all the gunk off the fillets, getting ready for the next bit.
These all would be so unfinished.
Oh yeah, 100%.
And as everyone knows, you got to let it swim in lemon for about 30 minutes.
Hello, you maggot.
Add in a portion of chopped red onion, some garlic, some chili paste, and some coconut cream. Give it all a stir up, and then let it sit for about another 30 minutes.
Good. That's good, eh? Oh, good bait.
Well, that's it for another episode of The Big Move. Hope you legends enjoy it, because we're back in another couple of weeks for another banger episode. See you there.
What do you reckon, Mitchell?